up mga soldiers, and welcome back to my channel. This is your guy, your average nigger guy, Japok, and we are now at our journey. And then yes, I will be getting some pair. So ayun guys, bagong tabas ako. Ang layo ng topic. Then we are going to Mandaluyong, and right now actually Mandaluyong Pasig area na rin to. May kukunin tayong pair syempre. This is a pre-ordered pair from Ma'am Luella, of course. So yun nga, no, meron tayong kinuwang pair. We pre-ordered them from Ma'am Luella. Hello ma'am! Thank you again. Sobrang solid nyo. Yuki Soul to go. Ayan, if you need some pairs na hindi nyo makikita basta-basta or hindi siya ordinary or whatever, kung ano yung hype, kung ano yung mura, andyan, Yuki Soul to go, talagang the best. Ang lupit ka itong sak ni Ma'am Luella. Ma'am, thank you. Hihintay pa nga akong pair pa na parating eh. So, excited na ako. So, nakita nyo naman siguro sa umpisa kung ano yung pwede natin i-unbox. Of course, ang pinakamalupit na bread colorway ng Jordan 1 Low. So, ayan, tara. Punta tayo doon. Yes, traffic. Hindi, traffic light lang yan. Masyado kayong judgmental. Hindi ba? So, ang init ngayon, I don't know. Kasi summer na, it's already March. So, ito. Kaya tahak natin yung Mandaluyong Shaw Boulevard. Doon malapit sila Ma'am Luella. Yung stocks. Yun ang page na. I think pang 4th ko na yata to. Ay, hindi ko na ma-recall 4th or 5th na pair na nakuha natin. So guys, kung gusto nyo talaga ng malupet na sapatos, smooth transaction, legit, hindi peke, aba, dito lang kayo, Yuki Soul to go. Message nyo sila dyan sa Facebook page. Meron din silang Instagram. And actually si Ma'am Luella is sobrang bait. Pwede nyo rin siya i-message directly. So yun, excited na talaga ako kahit nagugutom pa ako. Lunchtime ngayon, hindi pa ako kumakain. Kakainin ko muna yung sapatos. So yes guys, we are back now at nandito na tayo, nakauwi na tayo finally at excited na ako mabuksan itong Jordan 1 natin, and ito na, nasa akin na yung box, and grabe, ang tagal kong hinintay ito, parang 3 to 4 weeks siya, but alam niyo naman na na-release to way back last year, so but at least meron pa rin mga pakonti-konting nagda-drop. And yun na nga, thank you very much again kay Ma'am Luella. Sobrang grabe, ang dami na ako nakuha sa kanyang pairs, and she's really legit. At ito yung kanilang Facebook page yan, Yuki Soul to go. Punta lang kayo dyan, at parang may mga biglaang sale dyan na drop, so kailangan updated kayo. Ipindutin nyo yung favorites sa notification nila. So Yuki Soul to go, Ma'am Luella, thank you very much again. So bubuksan ko na, ito yung ating typical Jordan 1 box. So hindi siya SE, no, there's a Jordan 1 Low, and actually Gyn Red yung kanyang colorway. So it's different from the Chicago red, no, na kulay. So parang red na red yata yung very light, hindi naman very, pero light yung red nun, and ito medyo talagang bloody. Ayan, nakita nyo naman, ang daming nakamark, nakabantay na pangalan ko. So hindi siya mawawala. So syempre size 9 siya. And Ma'am Luella, thank you for hooking me this up. Parang nasa 15,000 yen siya, I don't know. but thank you very much. Super steel na Jordan 1 Low bread colorway. So ito na siya. Oy, may tag pa yan. So complete, no? Talagang makikita nyo it's really from Japan, no? Sobrang legit. And from Sneaker Dunk. Yan, Sneaker Dunk. And this is so nice, no? Having it on hand, then titignan nyo sa pictures, it's really dope. Kunin natin yung isang pair kasi nairita ako dito sa tag. Ayan. So I'll put this down. So yan, this is the Jordan 1 Gyn Red. They call this the Bred Toe. So daming naghahanap ng ganitong silhouette na to, and sabi nila this is the hype silhouette of the Jordan 1 kasi nga of the Chicago Bulls colorway. So specifically this is very popular pagdating sa color blocking ng Jordan 1. Well, puntahan natin yung kanyang materials. It's your typical Jordan 1. No? Makikita nyo naman siguro sa likod ko meron akong Royal Toe, and then yung Pollen recently released. And I have 5 rotations in my Jordan 1s. So may dalawa akong mids pa doon. Yung review natin last time, yung Shadow Red. So eto, let's go with the details of this. Syempre sa upper, no, as we all know that the Jordan 1 lows, hindi ganun ka-premium yung kanyang materials, no? It's actually actual leather, but hindi siya ganun ka-premium, unlike with the SE model. So makikita niyo sa tags ng mga boxes. Pag may SE, it's sort of a special edition. At yung mga highs, no, lahat ng Jordan 1 highs, napakaganda ng quality ng leather niyan. So eto, so with the upper, yung color blocking nito, makikita nyo naman there is the red on the toe. So hindi siya tumbled, as you can see. So it's quite soft, and I don't know kung madali siya mag-crease, pero yung Royal Toe ko hindi siya nag-crease. So yung pala napansin ko lang yung pag sa mga local release madali siyang mag-crease, pero pag mga international other countries na releases, hindi masyadong nag-crease yung mga toe part ng aking mga Jordans. So as we go dito sa mga overlays niya, there are overlays of itong toe cap, which is black. So and then this one black hanggang sa eye panel, sa lace panel. And then you can see the laces are in black, so wala siyang extra lace. And embroidered number 23 sa tongue, and it's quite padded, no? And there's the Jumpman logo, as you can see. And as we go to the mid part, which is white, no? So ito yung parang medyo softer part ng shoe. So it's quite different from the toe and the toe cap na leather. So ang ganda ng color blocking niya. And then within it is the swoosh with the stitch there. Makita nyo nag-overlap yung stitch na white. Now at the heel, as you can see, there is the Gyn Red color. So dope. And you can see the Air Jordan Wings logo embroidered. There you go. At yung layers of black, white, and softer material ng dito, malapit sa ankle area. There you go. And sock line, well, hindi ganun ka-padded. Minsan yung mga ganito, hindi siya nagiging pad. But there are Jordan 1s who are lows na medyo padded. So ito hindi masyado. So yan. And then the Jumpman logo inside there. And of course, sa midsole, it's white. Pure white. And of course, it is stitched. At yun nga, meron dyang air unit sa loob, so you can feel the comfort every now and then. Sa outsoles naman natin, well, this is it. The best, greatest outsole. Best na greatest pa of all time, no? Even pag basketball, galing, ang lupit ng traction nito. There. So yun, as you will expect, no, this is much higher yung presyo nito than the regular Jordan 1 Low na mga medyo entry-level pricing. So, because of the color blocking and some materials are really nice. So, yun lang, no? Yun lang. Just want to make it official na meron akong Jordan 1 Low Gyn Red. Well, actually, kung itatapat ko siya dun sa iba kong lows, bandila na eh. Teka lang, wait. Oh, ito yung mga lows ko. So, nakita nyo may mga crease na. Oh, diba? Blue, yellow, and red. Manila boy, Pilipinas. Laban Pilipinas. Nice, nice, diba? So, kulang pa yan. Kulang pa yan. So, ayun. That wraps our video for today. Eto na. So, binigay ko na sa inyo. So, ganda lang niya. Hindi muna ako magkakaroon ng on-fit nito. So, bibigyan ko siya ng on-fit review after ko siyang magamit. So, para at least meron tayong usage na review. And then, I can give you some video of whatever to wear and rock this one. Pero, most of the sneaker heads already know. And, ayun nga, this is really, really nice. So, last turn ko, ikot sa inyo. Yan. Jordan 1, Gyn Red. So, Bred Toe, as they call. So, ayun. So happy. So, that's it for today, mga soldiers. Thank you very much again sa mga bagong subscribers na pumasok. Promise, mag-upload na ako ng regularly. Medyo busy lang tayo sa day job and some commitments outside day job, outside work. So, syempre, hassle-hassle lang, grind lang tayo. So, thank you again and please do follow my Facebook page, yung One Box Manila. So, from time to time, nagbebenta rin tayo ng mga pre-love natin. Minsan, mga brand new pair. Personal collection siya. So, karamihan dun, size 9 lang within my size. So, 1 SKU lang siya per model. So, minsan, pag gusto kong mag-reload, I have to unload some of my pairs. And then, to give way sa inyo na ma-afford nyo rin yung mga pairs. So, thank you again, mga soldiers. I hope you're all safe out there. And of course, 3 things in life. Number 1, spread the love. Share your blessings. Of course, fear. Kay God. Adios, guys, and keep safe. Boom, 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 boom.